Welcome to the world of printed fabrics, where the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship creates products that are both visually stunning and versatile. Our printed fabrics are produced using state-of-the-art digital printing technology, which transfers precise and intricate designs onto the fabric, rendering them with exceptional clarity and color vibrancy. This method ensures that every design detail is accurately captured and the finished product is like a work of art. Our fabrics are made from high-quality materials to ensure their durability and long life. Soft to the touch and comfortable to wear, they are suitable for a wide range of application scenarios. Whether for fashion, home decor, or handicrafts, our printed fabrics add elegance and style to any project. One of the great things about printed fabric is its versatility. It can be used to create stunning garments and accessories, as well as adding color to home decor items such as pillows, curtains, and tablecloths. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Our printed fabrics are also easy to care for and perfect for everyday use. Machine washable, they are easy to maintain and they last long enough to keep their beauty. With the right care, our printed fabrics will remain as vibrant and beautiful as when they were first created. In short, our printed fabrics are a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship, visually stunning, versatile, and practical. Whether you're a fashion designer, a DIY enthusiast, or a home decor lover, our printed fabrics are sure to inspire your creativity and take your projects to new heights. Choose our printed fabrics and experience superior quality and unlimited creative possibilities. Contact us today for more information.